Hello students, today we are going to discuss the third numerical of stability of beams and frames. Question is written as identify the type of instability of the figure shown. Now we need to discuss the type of instability of this figure. Here a cantilever beam is shown whose one support is fixed and other end is free. Now we know that at fixed support there will be three reactions. One is vertical, one is horizontal and one is moment. Now here the reaction will be equals to 3. Now we will need to check the two conditions whether all the reactions are parallel or not. So in this case all the reactions are not parallel. So first case is fail. Now we need to check the another case that whether the three forces or the three reactions are acting at a single point or not. Now we need to check the line of action of these forces. So for vertical forces the line of action will be like this, for horizontal forces the line of action will be like this, and for movement the line of action will be like this. Now all the three forces are not meeting at a single point, so it is a case of external stable structure. So we had discussed the complete numerical that it is a stable structure. That is all about this numerical. We had discussed the type of stability or instability of this structure because of the presence of three reaction, and all the three reactions are not parallel as well as not meeting at a single point. That's why this structure is externally stable structure. That is all about this numerical. Thank you very much, students.